guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an unboxing. As you can see, I have a package here. This is from Coach. So this particular item is back ordered, so I placed an order probably sometime in August, and I was a little bit surprised because I did not expect that this order gets fulfilled. Most of the time, if your items get back ordered, you don't need to put a deposit. So that's the thing I love about Coach, is that you just have to wait for your items to get fulfilled. You get a tracking information, and that's the time you get billed. So anyways, I have the package here, so let's open it. So here it is. Oh wow, I do love that they put this hologram sticker on top of their packaging. Really nice. It's just like they put just like a plain, like there is no design or anything like that, but this one is the hologram. Sometimes they put a dinosaur or something, but I really like this one. So let me just probably gonna have to pull it this way because I don't want to damage this sticker. So I'm probably gonna have to pull it this way. Okay, here it is, packed on this gift pouch. I love their gift pouch, guys. I love it. So let me pull the ribbon in here. Okay. Pull the ribbon, and I'm so excited for this, guys. I mean, I did not expect that they're gonna fulfill my order because this item has been sold out, and I was surprised when I went to the website and I was just looking around and I found this one, and wow, I didn't know this was still available. This was still in production. So I'm glad that I was able to get a hands on these, and let me show you my latest purchase from Coach. Wow. I'm so excited for this. Yes, here it is. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. So this is the Coach Riley Top Handle 18. So this is such a beautiful color, guys. I just really wanted to make it sure the color this is. So this particular color is called, they call this one the peacock. So as far as looking at it, this is more of like a combination of blue and green. So it's, yes, wow, gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful. Such a beautiful color. So this one is made up of a gloved leather right here in the front, right here, so you can see at the corner. And this one comes with the 1941 hang tag, which is the same color as the purse itself. So as you can see, oh, I love this one. This one has a brass hardware over here. This is the top handle is also made up of brass. So this is also one of my most favorite feature from Riley, is the top handle. And I think that the top handle that is made up of brass is beautiful. That's what makes this purse so attractive. I mean, it's so beautiful, it's so gorgeous. So we have here the snap closure with the horse and carriage. So you can see there the horse and carriage. It's so beautiful. So let's open the purse, see what we, just to see inside. Oh wow, this one is, I'm a little bit surprised. This one actually, oh, let me see. Okay, so inside, okay, we have a strap. Okay, we have a strap. Oh wow, so this strap is a combination of the leather and this brass and a pewter hardware. So, which is really nice touch to it. Very, very nice. It looks like this one is a bow right there. Okay, so let me just put this one, hook this one on this side. Okay. Okay, so the inside, this one, the flap here is lined with a gloved and leather as well in an ox blood color. It's beautiful. It is soft. Okay. Let me take out some of the stuffings here. Okay, wow. So this one has 3 large compartments. So the Riley has 3 large compartments, and yes, in an accordion type. See, right here in the corner. So you can see that. So when you open this purse, when you pull this one over here, it expands. So this is more of like an accordion type of purse. And it has 3 lovely large compartments. Wow, also here, is it like a zip pocket here? Okay. Oh, this is just a care booklet and the information of the purse. And also, okay, so on the first pocket, like just like that, plain pocket. And then on the second one, we have the Coach Creed right there. And then we have the zip pocket right here. And also the third pocket right here, the third large pocket, just right there. And also this one, yeah, it's just like a small flat pocket where you could actually put your cards. But most of the time, I don't really use that one. And this one is lined with fabric. Beautiful. Wow. So this particular bag is more of like in the smaller side. It is really petite. It is tiny and it's compact. And I just love the color of this bag. I mean, you could wear this one just by using the top handle. And also you could wear this one as well as like using a crossbody. But I have my other Riley as well, but I love like carrying my Rileys using the top handle. I don't know. I mean, I'm the top handle person. Wow. So the trim right here is also, yeah, it's also with the gloved and leather as well. Okay. Okay. So you're probably curious of the measurements for this beautiful Riley bag. So the measurements for this bag is 7 inches in length, 5 inches in height, and the width is 3 1/4. So yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous, guys. I mean, I don't know if this was still available on the website. I know when I purchased this one, this was still part of the summer sales. So obviously I was able to get this one on sale. And yes, it's definitely worth it. You know, the 1941 tag in here. I mean, with the gloved and leather, with this beautiful, beautiful brass hardware. And look at the chain. It's so gorgeous. And the color. I mean, this is a structured bag. And I really love that it is so compact, yet it could fit a lot of things. Definitely could fit a lot of things. And look at this one, the iconic horse and carriage. It's so beautiful. I like the fact that this bag didn't have like so much branding, like flashy branding. I just like it the way it is. And yeah, the snap closure as well. It looks like the magnetic clip. I'm not really sure. I mean, with my other Rileys, sometimes I have a little bit of hard time closing it, because I have to find I really have to maneuver a little bit just to find to close it. And I think this one is pretty good. Yeah, I think this one, the lock for this one is really good. I just love the color, guys. This is such a beautiful, beautiful color. And I really thought that this was like entirely like green, like, you know, on the website it looks different than in person. It looks different. It looks more vibrant on the website, but this one is more of like, by looking at it right now, it's more of like on the darker side. But regardless, I love it. It's because this brass hardware actually stood out, and I really like that touch over here. I love it. I like the fact that the hardware is a little bit darker, and then this the brass hardware really stood out. It is so beautiful. Wow. Just right here at the bottom. Just mind you guys that the bottom right here has the glazing. And I think it was perfectly done just by looking at it. And also right here when you open it, yeah. I'm actually seeing a lot of scratches though, like inside and the flap, over here in the corner, and also right here outside and the flap itself. There were some marks, if you guys could see that. I'm not sure if my camera is picking up. I think on this, yeah, this corner right there, it's showing some scratches. But then again, that's the nature of the gloved and leather. Just put some conditioner, just condition it, and I think you're gonna be fine. But regardless, this is such a beautiful, beautiful piece. I am so happy that I was able to get hands on these. And it's to think it's that I placed this one in August and I totally forget about it. And not until such time, like probably a few days ago, I received a confirmation and a tracking information that this item is on the way, and I'm surprised. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.